In this video, I will guide you through the simple process of deleting your credentials within the N8N workspace to ensure your access is properly managed and secure. Managing your integrations often requires tidying up old or unused authentication details, so knowing how to quickly remove them is an essential skill for any N8N user. To get started, you will need to open up your N8N workspace and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a look at the navigation menu located on the far left-hand sidebar of your screen. Look for the section labeled Personal and select it to expand your private settings. From there, you will see an option labeled Credentials. Go ahead and click on that to open up your full list of saved authentication data. Now that you are in the Credentials Management area, you should see a list of all your active connections organized under the My Credentials tab. Take a moment to scroll through the list and locate the specific credential that you no longer need or want to remove from your system. When you find the correct row, navigate your mouse to the far right side of that specific credential entry. You will see an icon consisting of 3 small dots representing the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a small drop-down menu with further actions. Within this new menu, you should see the option to delete. After you click the Delete button, a final confirmation prompt will appear on your screen to prevent any accidental removals. Simply confirm your decision by clicking on the button that says Yes Delete, and the credential will be immediately purged from your workspace. This ensures that the access remains revoked and your environment stays clean. Thank you for watching.